Welcome traders, back to the channel. It's Darren from Investor Income. We're going to take a look at gold trades today on the 15-minute time frame. So I've been swing trading gold for quite a while now on the 15-minute. I trade mainly on the 1 minute, not scalps but sort of day trading. That's been my favourite go-to, but I've also been swing trading on a different account in the background using the 15-minute. So it's using the same strategy. It's just a lot easier to manage your positions. You don't have to worry so much, especially if you're trading from home and you're working or something. It's very easy to manage your positions. Just can check your trades sort of twice a day or something like that. So swing trading on gold has been crazy. You're going to see from these profits here, it's just been nuts. The market's just been so easy to trade. So you can see here, taking some entries at the bottom, oscillators oversold. It's overbought here. So these two positions here, quite simple to see. We just got the usual baseline that we use. Same baseline I've used for years now. It just gives a nice level as to where you can expect price to go. Not necessarily to the absolute, decimal, but it gives you an area that you can target. So I'll normally trade back to resistance. So if we look on this chart here, you can see the trades I took at the bottom. Now these three actually came into profit without me actually realizing. So they came to the baseline, I think on the Monday, and it came into profit straight away where I'd set it. So I'd set my take profit just below the blue line. So this would be where you'd be targeting. But there was resistance level here, so I just set it on that resistance level, and bingo, it came in. So happy days. That's why I like the 15-minute, because on the 1 minute you're constantly looking up. I'm up at 5-6 o'clock in the morning looking at the charts, maintaining it and seeing what's happening during the London Open and into the New York session. It's a lot more. It's engrossed. I do love it, but not everyone could do this. And this came mainly from a query I got from one of my people that subscribed to my channel years ago, and they were asking about something that they can fit around their job more, because the 1 minute you just can't do when you're working. It's too intense. It's too much to take on. So I've been working on the 15-minute. I've been trading it myself on euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, all the majors basically, and testing it, and also on gold. I did face a challenge on gold the other week. I was trading it on the 1 minute, and just whatever happened, I didn't maintain my position properly. I lost control of my first position. I ended up taking a loss on the trade, which is quite rare for me. I can normally trade my way out. But you've got to admit these things when they happen. I didn't trade well. I was expecting it to move more, and it did. It didn't, and it just carried on. And my first position I ended up taking out for a loss. Second position was a loss. Third was a loss, and the fourth was a profit. Overall, a loss, and it wasn't a good day. I made it back again, but the 15-minute is just so much easier to control your risk, because you don't have that time. You don't have to be a sniper. Like the 1 minute, you pretty much have to be, taking your trades fairly accurately within a few minutes. To get the best return, whereas here you don't have to. You're talking about a lot longer time, several days to a week for trades to come in. You can see here the other trades I took. This one here is consolidation range. This is quite interesting. So when we hit consolidation range like this, if I see this, I've got the spike here, that was fine. The second spike came up. I took the first position out on that one, so I was only left with one position. It then came back down again, so I was just break even. It went up again, and I took that one out again at that high. The reason for that is I don't like when you get numerous touches like and you get no movement back towards your baseline. It's just going down the trading range. The longer it spends in that trading range, the less chance it has of spiking up to where I'm looking to get out. So that's a case where you have to manage your trades. Down the bottom here, we've got a nice deviation from the baseline. Higher chance of it going back, or at least some movement back to where we were trading here. So 3 positions on here. People start panicking with that, but really we've only been on for a day or two. Spike straight up. First position I take out, so that one came out for a nice bit of profit at the bottom there. I then got 2 positions in really good profit. I let that go a bit further. It came up to those highs, and I just took the both out at those highs. Crazy profits you're taking on there on gold. You're talking about 51 points on that, on the lowest position. You can't say any more really on that one. This one down here, I haven't got any positions marked, but there were trades taken there, and that just came up to that range again. Again, it went into a trading range, same thing. You're still taking profit. You don't have to take the whole move. This is what some people get frustrated with gold trading. If you're trading on gold, you don't have to take the bottom to the top. I mean, if you look at that there, the bottom to the top, that's great. And that doesn't always happen that way. Okay, so you're not going to necessarily get the bottom and hit the top and get the bottom. It's not a perfect wave. You know, you're going to get periods of extended trend in markets where it goes against you and you're going to have to trade out of those positions. That's just the way it is. That's just managing your positions and managing them effectively. It's perfectly possible to do, and you know, you can do it. It's just you have to be used to how you're trading in the system you apply. I've always swung trade, so I'm always going to extremes. I have to do trend trading as well. However, for this system here, it's easier. The swing trading is easier. It's less stressful. You can take your positions with, you know, within hours of each other. Don't have to be on the money every time, and you can relax a bit more about it. I have taken a lot of euro dollar trades as well, but I'll go into that in a different video. But for gold trading, gold swing trading, this is I don't know of any other system that's as transparent as this and as open. I've traded the same way for years. We've got the 1 minute strategy which I use daily. It's still very good. It's just this is better for people who are more committed to their work, and I've got to do that. Like I say, my go-to is the 1 minute. It's what I do every day, but this does provide a lot less stress for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you very soon.